Hey everyone, it's Taylor here, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to our new stamp and die storage collection. If you're anything like me, it's okay for my craft desk or even my craft room to be messy at times because creativity is messy, right? But I really don't like it when things are disorganized and chaotic. It makes it so much harder to stay in my flow when I'm in the middle of a project and I suddenly realize the die for the stamp I just used is nowhere to be found. As you may remember, we've had some stamp and die storage solutions in the past, but as time has gone by and our collection has grown, they started to be less useful to me. Our new collection is a balance of all the right things: simple, portable, customizable, and most importantly, easy to keep everything contained in its place. So first we have the magnetic die storage panels. These are magnetic on one side to hold your steel dies in place, but the cool thing about these panels is that they come in two different sizes. So you can easily slip tiny coordinating dies in with your stamps, or store larger die sets on the large panels. They're also coated on the opposite side and feature a fun polka dot design that can hold cling or clear stamps, so you can store your stamps and coordinating dies on the same panel if you like. To take it one step further and make sure those stamps and dies stay together, we have the simple storage sleeves in multiple sizes to slip your stamp panels or packaging into. At TE, we have lots of different sizes of stamp sets, from small to medium to large and extra large. So we're offering 6 different sizes of simple storage sleeves to keep everything neat and tidy. If you haven't noticed, the SKU for each of our stamp sets reflects the size of the set. So the item number for Gus and Gertie is TEMD 199. These stamps will fit best in our large simple storage sleeves. But if you look at the item number for On the Block Love, you'll see it's TEALC 158. ALC stands for a la carte, and it's one of our smaller stamps, so it will fit best in our small, short, simple storage sleeves. Don't worry, you don't have to keep track of all these numbers and letters. The product page and packaging for each size of simple storage sleeve lists the stamp size or sizes it was designed to fit, so there won't be any guesswork on your part. So going back to Gus and Gertie, I would use one of the large magnetic die storage panels to store the coordinating dies, then slide that into a large simple storage sleeve and slip my stamp panel on its index right in front of the die. Ta-da! Everything is stored together and I'm not going to have to search to find what I'm looking for. The magnetic die storage panels come in sets of 5 and the simple storage sleeves are sold in sets of 50. Make sure you check out our simple storage starter bundle for a sampling of items to get you started on your quest to get and stay organized.